Alright, so you have two sensory pathways. You have the dorsal column and you have the spinothalamic tract. What's the difference? Well, let's get into it. So the dorsal column is responsible for carrying fine touch sensations, like the feeling of light, pressure, or vibration. It also carries proprioceptive information, which is your sense of body position. So when you bend your elbow, you know where your arm is without even looking at it. That's proprioception. Now, the spinothalamic tract is responsible for carrying pain and temperature sensations. So if you touch something hot, you'll quickly move your hand away. That's because of this pathway. These two pathways work together to keep you alive. So the dorsal column sends signals to the brainstem, and then the brainstem relays that information to the cerebral cortex. And the spinothalamic tract, it does the same thing, but with pain and temperature information. What happens when one of these pathways gets damaged? Well, you can lose sensation in the areas that these pathways project to. So if the dorsal column gets damaged, you might not be able to feel light, touch, or vibration. And if the spinothalamic tract gets damaged, you might lose the ability to feel pain or temperature. So it is important to understand how these pathways work so you can appreciate the complexity of the human body.